Hey, welcome back to JoeBob's Garage. This is going to be a great one. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I got to do a little bit of welding, some sandblasting, powder coating. I don't know if I'm going to do any painting. Might do a little bit of painting in this. So, yeah, let's get on this one. All right, did me some cleaning up. Look at here. This thing was getting nutty out here, man. It's getting crazy. Too much of a mess. I couldn't get anything done. Like I ever get anything done. Oh, well. Yeah, look at all this room. Damn. Oh, here, I got to get a couple of those brackets done. I didn't finish welding. Let me get on that. I believe somebody down the line had cut this gouge out. They put some forward controls on the bike, so let me take care of that. Yeah, I believe my Black & Decker just about crapped the bed, so I bought this nice Eastwood metal cutter. This thing is heavy duty. Got a lot of weight to it, so I don't want to kick back on you much. Any of the pieces there that had a little bit of surface rust on them or a little leftover paint or anything, I sandblasted those all clean. I tell you what, baling wire is a man's best friend. Yeah, you put your powder coated parts in a 400-degree oven, and then when your parts reach 400 degrees, 20 minutes. That's how long you gotta cook it. Boy, doesn't that smell delicious? All right, hey guys, look at this right here. You can buy this tape, which is heat resistant, and it's for masking off areas you don't want to powder coat, like the threads on this brake lever rod thingy doodle here. Oh yeah, one more thing. These are little rubber stoppers for if you've got screw holes that you want to stop up, and these are heat resistant too, so you just plug the hole so you don't get the powder coating down inside the threads. Let me see. Yeah, it's something like this right here. So you just push that in there, push that in there, and when you're done powder coating, nothing in there. Hi, here's all the pieces to be powder coated on this go around. What I need to do is I need to use these alligator clips and extra wires to make sure my ground goes to everything, because this tray has been used so many times that you can't pull electricity off of this tray. So I gotta jump from each one of these. Each time I do it, I use a brand new piece of baling wire on each one, and then I jump my ground around. That seems to help. All right, that's my tech tip of the day. Yeah, all you have to do is just blow off the gun, get all the powder off of it inside and out, and you're ready to change colors. Wow, I just messed up. I just had that hanging too low and it hit the door of the oven, so I got to go back and fix it. If you see here, it's just small spots, but if I just powder coated right over that, it would be thicker around it and you could see it. So all you got to do is take the air hose here and just feather it. Blow that part off. That's what makes it so forgiving. Then go back and just repowder it. Hey, everybody, make sure you hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. All that stuff helps show the algorithm for YouTube that you appreciate the channel. And the more they see people doing that, the more they will recommend it to others, and that'll help get the channel off the ground. So I really need your help, and I appreciate it. All right, guys, see you next time.